Euro Yen daily forecast September 14, FXEmpire.com. The Euro Yen pair fell for much of the session on Thursday, but as you can see, found support the same place it did on Wednesday, and then shot straight up. This, of course, was predicated upon the Federal Reserve expanding its monetary easing and lengthening it, which really gave a boost for risk assets in general. And this pair, of course, is sensitive to the risk on, risk off attitude of the world. The 100 level remains the fulcrum, if you will, of the market. But what's interesting is that we've now formed a hammer. In other words, we're showing real buying pressure in this market. Once we get above 101, that's when things get really interesting in this pair. As I zoom out, you can see that once we get above 101, really there isn't a whole lot to hold this market back until you get to about 110. There's some hiccups along the way, but nonetheless, I mean, it really looks like it could take off after 101. Adding to that mix is the fact that the Bank of Japan is working against the value of the yen, more so in the dollar yen pair. But if we were to get some type of selling of the yen by the BOJ or intervention, bond purchase programs, whatever, what have you, in order to kind of move that market around, it will have an effect on this one. So above 101, we become very interested in this pair and become long. Uh, as far as selling is concerned, that's an entirely different act, but we would need to see sub 98, which right now looks very unlikely.